Best morning juice for diabetics. Hello, healthy buddies. In this video, we will talk about the best natural juices for people with diabetes. These juices are all low in sugar and are easily digested, but they still contain a powerful punch of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Moreover, there's more to be gleaned from these fruit juices than just their health benefits. You'll also learn the simple ways to use these natural home remedies to quickly dip in your blood sugar. The best fruit juice for diabetics includes a mixture of water. A diabetic patient needs to stay hydrated. Water is the best drink to do this because it won't raise blood sugar levels. If you drink enough water, your body can eliminate excess glucose through urine. If you don't like drinking plain water, you can add flavor by crushing a few fresh or frozen raspberries into your water. Then, add some flavorful herbs like mint or basil and have healthy juice for people with diabetes. Pomegranate juice. Even though pomegranates are very sweet, the sugars in pomegranate juice do not raise blood sugar levels. This is great news for people with diabetes. Pomegranate juice has antioxidants, which are good for your health in many ways. Put some fresh pomegranate seeds and some water in your blender. The juice that comes out is a delicious drink. Green juice. Make a green juice by blending spinach, kale, and other leafy vegetables with berries, cucumber, or celery, then diluting it with water and blending everything. Hola! Sugar patients, your freshly squeezed green juice is ready. This juice won't make your blood sugar level go up, but it will give you vitamins A, B, C, E, and K. Green juice is one of the best juices for people with diabetes because of this. Kombucha. Kombucha is also a great fermented drink, or juice for people with diabetes. Usually green or black tea is used to make it. Kombucha is also a great source of probiotics. Good bacteria better control their blood sugar. Bitter melon juice. Bitter melon, also known as bitter gourd, has been shown to lower the sugar in the blood. It doesn't taste very pleasant, and you shouldn't have more than 2 a day. You can juice it on its own or add a cucumber, a lemon, and an apple and juice them all together. Fresh tomato juice. You can even drink freshly squeezed tomato juice if you have sugar, but make sure you don't add more sugar. If the juice is too bitter, you can add stevia, a natural sweetener. People with diabetes are more likely to get blood clots, which can cause heart problems. So, drinking tomato juice can lower the risk of CVD, and it won't make your blood sugar level go up either. Fresh orange juice. Avoid orange juice from the store because it often has added sugar or other things. If you have diabetes, you can have a small glass of freshly squeezed orange juice, preferably with a meal. Or, even better, eat an orange. It has fiber and antioxidants that will help you. The glycemic index of oranges is low. AMLA juice. AMLA is a rich source of vitamin C and is loaded with other beneficial antioxidants. You can enjoy freshly squeezed AMLA juice by mixing in a little bit of stevia to the mixture. In addition to being a wonderful option for people with diabetes, AMLA juice is another great option. Herbal tea. People who have diabetes might consider drinking herbal teas such as hibiscus, chamomile, ginger, and peppermint. They also contain a high concentration of chemicals that combat diseases such as flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acid. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.